This is Easy Take Tampa Bay, and I'm going to show you something maybe you're interested. I just bought it because I needed it. I was looking for a precision tool so I can use it on iPhone 6 to open the screws, and I find this one on eBay, which is really nice, so I decided to buy it. And the first thing you're gonna see, it's like you got a great case. I like the case they have. It's really nice case, and then when you open it, and you're gonna see all the tools comes with it, which is really cool. The design is really nice to hold them in place. Basically, what you need to do, you just pull this thing off and you can actually take them off easy, and you can put them back. So it's really well organized and nice and neat how they fix this case for it. And you got the total of 6 on each rack, so we're looking at 24 precision tools in there, plus the handle for it. I like the way they put it up here, so what I can do is just take it off one by, and this is going to be the handle for it. The handle is really cool too. It's nice. It turns, so what you need to do, you can turn it this way and that way, either way, left or right, when you're opening on unscrewing or screwing the screw. So it's really cool. And how it works, basically you unscrew the tip off of it, and this one is actually, when you put it in there, I'm not sure you will be able to see it, there's a little notch over here and it goes in there so it doesn't move. And you're gonna screw this thing back in, and there you go. It's right there, and you will be able to use that either way. And I bought it on eBay. I think I paid like $6 for it, so it's worth of the money I spent. Even like you see that I don't have to even unscrew the whole thing to take it off. I just put it back in there, make sure it just loosen it up a little bit, make sure it's already in there, and then screw it back in. And how fast it is. And basically, if you just switch from one to another one, it's going to be really easy. And it goes back in here. You're going to keep it upside down. Nothing's going to fall from it. They're still intact in there. So if you're looking for something like this, and I would recommend you to check the eBay. I bought it from eBay, which is nice, and you can buy one for yourself for $6 or $7. It's not that bad. Thanks for watching.